We really want you to embrace this. Take advantage of it. We are helping others. You are making a difference today.
After a brief orientation, these students were empowered to put their skills to work. They came together with Pleasant Knoll Middle School's partner Servants with a Heart to create over 50,000 meals. Their collective effort turned compassion into action, illustrating the profound impact these Nighthawks can have.
Keep going, guys.
Each student chose a different position.
I have to pinch the bags and then seal them so the food doesn't fall out. My position was like sealing the bags, and I felt like that was fun because I get to keep like working them out. Well, I'm just like putting the bags below, and they're putting like the nutrition, and I'm just handing it to that person.
And while everyone had a different assignment, they all had the same goal: to help. Help each other grow, help build community, help feed people in Central America, help make a difference, one scoop at a time, one bag at a time, one box at a time, one simple action to help our one world.
Go.
Most of these meals will be sent to help with hunger in Nicaragua.
We need 31 more total.
But some of these will help closer to home.
Some of these meals today are actually going to go straight to Western North Carolina to help our neighbors that have been hurt through these recent storms.
We need a bagger over here.
Each of these bags is filled with a carefully selected blend of 4 essential ingredients: rice, grain, dried vegetables, and a protein-rich soy. When you add water to this combination, it transforms into a mixture that can be cooked into a variety of different meals. Remarkably, just one of these bags contains enough nutrition to nourish a child for an entire year.
It's amazing what can be done in such a small bag.
This is the first time the Nighthawks have engaged in this type of service project.
Slow down.
Their collective efforts transform compassion into action, demonstrating the significant impact they can have on others.
I was really happy that I'm doing this job for everyone. It just makes me feel really good inside, knowing that like a kid's gonna get this food and they're gonna be well fed.
So you're going to get 10 students. And
Kristen Zeppelin, the receptionist at Pleasant Knoll Middle School, played a key role in organizing this opportunity to give back.
good job, thank you.
For Kristen, promoting kindness and compassion is as important as the lessons found in textbooks. She hopes this event marks the beginning of the students' journey towards helping others.
We are raising up leaders and we're raising up good people. And this is what that part is all about. This is all in them, but then to see it again being put into action is priceless. So the growth that is happening, and hopefully we have touched something in them that is just going to grow to be wanting to be a volunteer, wanting to give back.